Hey everyone, we are here in Lincoln, California, going to look at this Tri Pointe home in the Jubilee community. This is the Plan 1, which is 1,752 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, starting at $538,000. Now, if you'd like to take a look at this or have some questions, you can always reach out to me in my contact info in the description below. And let's take a look at this home. So this is a half bathroom right when you come in. Nice deep space. Also, no HOA on this one either. Coat closet. Got the tile flooring. Nicole, who works here, mentioned that this model does not have the island, but there are the exact same floor plans as this that will have islands. So it's definitely an option. It's a nice choice with the backsplash matching with the, not matching, but a good choice for the backsplash in the cabinet color. And also the countertop with the quartz. Very open, very, very open. So you got the gas range right here. You've also got the microwave, the hood. Hooded microwave. Sink bipolar, dual sink, matte black finish faucet. Let's see. Does this have the third row? It does not, but not bad though, not bad. And I like, even though there's an island, there's still a drawer for the trash cans. Love it. Makes everything so practical, so clean. Dining room table. Living room. They also have speakers here. You can get speakers pre-wired for it through right before the design center. So a ton of natural light coming in here too. And the backyard is definitely a really good size. I was surprised when I first came through here yesterday with some clients. And yeah, we were fairly surprised because some of the other ones we've seen did not have a backyard at that size. So I like that a lot. Open railing. Let us go upstairs. Okay. So you got your second bathroom up here. The matte black finish, faucet, sink by Gerber. I like the hexagon tile flooring. Spacing for the bath and bathtub and shower combination. There should be a linen closet right here. Yep. Laundry is upstairs. And right now there is one available that is a quick move in, and they will have a special incentive for that quick move in. And if you'd like to know more about that, just reach out to me because I definitely got the inside scoop about it. And there's another one coming up that will be a quick move in as well. And then you can probably get it before it's even released. Just let me know. Oh, wow. They went all out with this design. Man. Good size room too. The owner's suite, which is looking very spacious, even though it's less than 2,000 square feet. So I like that a lot. See a little bit more of the community out here. Go ahead and pan out for you. Separate area for the bathroom. Nice ensuite. Let's take a look at the closet. Pretty good size. So the matte black finishes for the shower. And dual vanity with the extra large mirror. But yeah, you guys, if you'd like to take a look at this or have any questions, feel free to reach out through my contact info in the description below. And I will see you on the next one. And here are a couple other videos for you to take a look at. Have a good one. If I can get it.